Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome in our online classes. So today we will do one English topic. Topic name is tense. We will discuss what is the meaning of tense. So tense means time. There are three types of time of tense. First one is present tense. Second one is past tense. And third one is future tense. Present tense. What is present tense? Which time is going on, but I am doing. This is present tense. Like I am making video, I am doing a written work. This is present tense. Whatever do I am doing. Next is past tense. Past means which time has gone. Past time, like yesterday, whatever I did, that was my past. Next is future tense. Future means which time will come, like tomorrow what we will do, that one is our future time, future tense. There are next four types here: present simple tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present continuous perfect, like here also. So total are 12 here. But today we will do only present simple tense. We can say present indefinite tense also. So firstly we will discuss about the rule of this tense, but we use here. So this rule is, firstly we will do subject plus first form of the verb plus ses plus object. So I want to tell you about the meaning of this one, ses. So this means some verbs are those which we use only s. With some verbs we use es, like eat. With eat we will use only s, eats. Like sleep, same with sleep also we use only s, sleeps. Now es means like go. When we use with here, then we write es. This is goes. Like here do also same we use es. So this is wrong way to write goes, no. So I want to tell you that some verbs we use s, with some verbs we use es. Now here subject. Subject means we have two types, plural and singular. Plural we have and singular we have subject. If we will say about plural means many, like we can say you, I, we, they. These all are plural. And singular he, she, it. These are singular. Like any name of any one person, like Raman, Ram, Sham, any one person. So these are plural and these are singular. I want to tell you about the verbs. When we use singular, then we use s or es here. But with plural, we use only first form of the verb. Like you, when we write here eat, you eat. With I eat. We eat. They eat. But here we use s or es. If we will use eat, then eats. If we will use go, then goes. He eats. He goes. She does. Not here do, or not this one, only s. Okay. So if we want to speak in English, then we have to learn these and we have to be habitual to speak these. Like at home we eat daily. So if we will say about I, then I eat this one. He eats, she eats, it eats. So now I want to tell you one thing about in Punjabi, pehchan. Some people who speaks always in English and who have Punjabi medium. For them I want to tell you, if they will read any sentence then there will be back ਦਾ ਹੈ, ਦੀ ਹੈ, ਦੇ ਹਨ। ਜੇਕਰ ਐਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਲਾਈਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਖੇਡਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਪੜ੍ਹਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਤਲਬ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰੈਜੈਂਟ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਟੈਂਸ ਹੈ। ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਰੂਲਸ ਨੂੰ ਫਿਲ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਫੋਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਸ਼ੀਅਲ, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਪਹਿਚਾਣ ਦਾ ਹੈ, ਦੀ ਹੈ, ਦੇ ਹਨ। ਸੋ ਨਾਓ ਵੀ ਵਿਲ ਡੂ ਸਮ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲਸ ਲਾਈਕ ਹੇਅਰ, ਰਾਜੂ ਫਲ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। subject is here Raju, Raju, and verb is here khanda, eat. So Raju is singular, then we will do here eats. Raju eats fruit. Okay, Raju eats. If there will be write बच्चे, then we write here children eat. If मैं ਇੱਥੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ मैं, then I eat, but there is singular, then we will write here eats. ਮੈਂ ਖਾਣਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਦੇਖੋ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਨਾ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਦਾ ਹੈ, ਦੀ ਹੈ, ਦਾ ਹੈ, ਇਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਦੀਜ਼ ਆਰ ਪ੍ਰੈਜੈਂਟ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਟੈਂਸ। ਮੈਂ ਖਾਣਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਆਈ ਕੁੱਕ। ਨਾਓ ਵਿਦ ਆਈ ਇਜ਼ ਵੀ ਕਾਊਂਟ ਇਨ ਪਲੂਰਲ, then I cook food. ਬੱਚਾ ਸਕੂਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਬੱਚਾ means one है ना here, then we will write here child. Child go, then this is singular, then we use s or es. With go we use es. Child goes to school. So for practice we have to speak many times with I, eat, play, jump. You eat, play, jump. With we eat, play, jump means without s or es. Now he, with he or she eats, plays, jumps. Okay, we will do this. Now with negative we will do here with negative. We will use here does, do, does plus not. ਉਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। Then we will write here he means singular, then we will use here does. He doesn't go. Now we will use here go, not goes, because es we have used here. He doesn't go to school. Okay, now in interrogative, if we want to get interrogative, then we have to use do or does in first one. Okay, ਕਿ ਉਹ ਸਕੂਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, then we will use here with he does. Does he go to school? So only these rules we have to learn, then we can do easily our present simple tense or present indefinite tense. Thank you, have a nice day.